everybody. Urban Prepping and Survival here. Hope you're having a wonderful day. So in this video I'm going to be checking out the Sun Kettle from 4Patriots. If you haven't heard about that company, they've got a lot of good stuff for like survival, camping, off-grid lifestyle. I've seen a couple of YouTubers actually using their products in van life too, so highly recommend it. And this is my Sun Kettle, the smaller version. They actually have a bigger version of this one, but they're good for boiling water. I've heard that you can do some cooking in these, but that's if you want to go through the trouble of cleaning it out. But today I did a little video and I was able to warm up some water to about 112 degrees, so it's good enough to make a nice pot of instant coffee. I'm going to try and do a video where I just put it out in the sun and let it go, and you can actually get the pressure relief valve to kick in and do its thing. But I was not able to do that today just because of where I was set up and I was losing the sun, and it's not direct sunlight today, it's a little hazy. But I will run the video, and I am going to speed it up a little bit just to not bore you guys, because it's pretty much about a 30-minute video, and I'm sure you don't want to sit through all that, but I'll speed it up. And one of the things I've noticed is to get the best results when you set this up, you have to have the sun coming directly at it. You have to have the shadow like perfectly underneath it just to get the right angle. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with this little gadget. And I will have a link in the description if you want to head over to 4Patriot to check them out and or purchase something from them. So if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload videos. And with that, let's roll the video.